Welcome to Gadget Solution. Archer AX73 AX5400 Dual-Band Gigabit Wi-Fi 6 Router. Unbox and prepare. Take the router out of its packaging along with the power adapter and Ethernet cable. Place the router near your modem and a power outlet. Connect to power. Plug the power adapter into the router and then into a power outlet. Turn on the router using the power button if there is one. Connect to modem. Use the Ethernet cable to connect the WAN, Internet, port on the router to your modem. Open a web browser on a device connected to the router, such as a computer or smartphone. For any technical issue, 1-866-889-0666. Type in the default IP address for the router, which is usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Log in to router. You will be prompted to enter a username and password. Use the default login credentials, which are usually admin, for both the username and password. If these don't work, consult the router's manual for the correct login information. For any technical issue, 1-866-889-0666. Thank you for watching.